Okay, here we are 1 week later since the first time Allie crawled. And I was just going to show you how good she's doing. Okay, crawl to me over here, baby girl. Crawl to me over here. Come on. Come on. Here we go. That's the girl. Keep going. Keep going. Get your toys. Look at, here's all your toys. Come on. Go get them. Oh. Okay, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Give me cute smiles. Give me cute smiles. That's a pretty girl. Yeah.